Oh no. It's your round Pat Boy Dolo checking in, you dig? Catch a vibe right quick one time. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Hey, mic check 1 2 1 2. Hey, 2 2 2. Successful transfers of this almighty information from me to you. Hey, mic check 1 2 1 2. Hey, mic check 1 2 1 2. Hey, 2 2 2. It's way less about what you say and more about what you do. Hey, oh no. Hey, man, what's good with my people out there, man? You dig? Look, it's your player partner, Pack Boy Dolly checking in, you dig? Just saying what's happening. And look, tonight, man, I'm catching a vibe off the coffee. I'm off Dorothy tonight. You know what I'm saying? I had to let it breathe. I was dropping videos left and right, you feel me? Left and right, we were dropping shit, you know what I'm saying? But I had to let it breathe a little bit. And now we back here tonight. And we're going to talk about something really, really important, man. Because I feel like people be sleeping on this. And what I'm saying is, no pun intended, but don't sleep on relaxation. Don't sleep on relaxation. Listen, people who know how to relax will beat you by slowing down. You see what I'm saying? People that knows how to relax will beat you by slowing all the way down. You feel me? Let me add one more element to this here equation, you dig? Yeah. A person that knows how to relax, though, dog. Man, listen to me. You be trying to go fast and beat them, they'll beat you by slowing down. It always reminds me of the story of the rabbit and the turtle. And the rabbit just thought that, he was the shit. He was way faster than the turtle. The turtle didn't think too much about nothing. The turtle just stayed the course. Period. Simple, kept it simple, stayed the course. The rabbit was bullshitting. The rabbit was stopping, fucking with other people. He was finessing. He would just do too much. And he ended up losing the race. The turtle just stayed the course. See what I'm saying? The turtle understood relaxation. The rabbit was tense, not relaxed at all. Moving too fast. Too caught up in making another person feel bad. Too caught up in being the fastest one in the world and being bravo. You know what I mean? Too much bravado, right? And he ended up losing because of that. So all I'm saying right here, man, is don't sleep on relaxation. And you may be asking me, Dolo, what's some good ways to relax? I got you. Watch this. I got you. Hold on. I'm glad you asked. For real, one of my personal favorite ways to relax is meditation. But I'ma assume that you're not familiar with meditation. So, if I'm talking to someone who's not really familiar with meditation, then I would say that you need to practice just putting all electronic devices on off. Turn them off and just chill and relax and be right there in the moment with yourself. You can lay down, you can sit in a chair, It don't matter. But the thing is, when you do this, close your eyes. Close your eyes. If you got some earplugs, even better. Get the earplugs, put them in your ear. Close your eyes or get a blindfold. Tie the blindfold around your eye. You don't even have to go to sleep. Just close your eyes and just sit there and focus on your breaths. Just focus on breathing. And tell every muscle in your body, man, to relax. From your head all the way down to your feet. Tell your forehead to relax. Tell your eyes to relax. Your eyebrows to relax. Relax your body, man. And just chill. Now, say if you started doing that 10 minutes a day, you would become substantially more calmer. You would be way more calmer than if you was to continue taking in the outside stimuli all the time, and then you'll become overstimulated like that. You see what I'm saying? Instead, how I relax, me personally, I sit there, I put headphones in, I go to 20 hertz alpha frequency on YouTube, I put that shit in, and I close my eyes, and I sit there still for 20 minutes, and I take deep breaths. I breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, and now it's got to a point, dog, where I'll just go into relax mode in traffic. I'll go into relax mode at any time. All it takes is a deep breath. All it takes is an exaggerated deep breath. And I hold it for like 30 seconds. And then when I release that breath, I try to stretch the releasing of that breath to 8 seconds. I don't just blow it out. I try to release it within a span of 8 to 10 seconds. And I do that anytime I need to relax. Anytime. Used to, it was flight mode. I'm taking off. If some shit was to piss me off, I'm taking off. I'm saying something, you know what I mean? We already there. But now, I choose relaxation. Because I could do that. No one can stop me from doing it. You see what I'm saying? And then when I do that, I know what I'm tapping into, and I know that I'm calming myself down. See what I'm saying? I know how to calm my nervous system down. You really need to look into that, how to calm your nervous system, because that's important stuff. If you learn how to tap in and go into alpha mode at any given moment, you will dodge so much bullshit just by knowing how to relax. Ain't that some shit? Just by knowing how to relax, you will dodge so much shit. You'll be 2-3 steps ahead of people who's trying to provoke you because you know how to relax. Bro, they don't know how to relax. They don't know how to chill. You know how to just chill, bro. You know how to look past shit and not make a big deal about something and stay in a relaxed mindset. Once you know how to do that, you're hard to be beat. And it's not that you're in competition with people, but you're slowing down and beating them by not trying. They're trying to beat you by speeding up and losing even more. See, that's the ebb and flow of life and the art of this shit and how it works. So my thing is, once you learn how to relax, right? That's like your superpower. What? You know how to relax? Y'all, come on, think about it. Let's go even deeper. I was taught that if you walk away from a fight, that makes you a loser. That makes you weak. Now that I'm more wiser and I see the bigger picture, it's actually the motherfuckers who can walk away from the fight Those are the giants, because that takes a lot to do. And especially if you know in your mind and in your heart that you can crush that person. You know in your mind and in your heart and in your spirit that you take sledgehammers and you smash ants with them. When you know that and you walk away, that makes you a giant of a person. That doesn't make you a loser. Even a guy who's not even sure about if he could beat the other person, or the girl that is not sure that she could beat the other girl, whatever the situation is, right? The simple fact that they have the ability to walk away, to make a decision to walk away and not stay in that makes them a giant. That makes them a big person. And it took me a lot to see that, bro. You see what I'm saying? It took me a while to see that, because as soon as some shit was to go anyway, like, and it's takeoff time, we taking off. Ain't nobody relaxing. Are you kidding me? It's takeoff time in this motherfucker. We about to take off. You feel me? But it's actually the motherfucker who can walk away that's the giant. Just like I thought, you had this group of cool kids, right? And then you had the loners. Some loners, they wanted to be with the cool kids, but they never could really seem to get, like, in cahoots with the cool kids. It seemed like they could never relate to them. And then you fall back and you look at it from a deeper level and you like, yo, it's not that these motherfuckers were cool. They were insecure because they were grouped together. They needed each other. The cool motherfuckers was actually the ones that could be alone and function and move. You know what I'm saying? And then they keep their business to themselves. And he still, the loners, they still winning, still got a little motion going on. Just because they don't kick it with the cool kids, quote unquote cool kids, doesn't mean that they're not cool. They're actually the cool kid because they can be dolo. You know what I'm saying? They can be by themselves. They can operate by themselves. They don't need to operate within a group. You see what I'm saying? And the one that can move like that on some dolo lone wolf shit, the one that can operate like that and simultaneously cahoots with groups too, that's a dangerous motherfucker, man. You know what I'm saying? That's somebody there who knows how to be adaptable. You know what I mean? Like Joseph Fouché. Shout out Sensei Fouché, you feel me? Just like Joseph Fouché, you feel me? Adaptable and blend in, you feel me? So what I'm saying is, once you learn to relax, it's an art to that shit. And once you get the art down pat, then you learn to control situations and make them spin your way, because come on, man, who's in control? The one who relaxed or the one who's not relaxed? The one who's, just up and moving around and trying to make a scene and trying to be seen and all this shit, is that person in control? Or is the one relaxed and watching everything play out in slow motion, is that person in control? I say the latter. You feel me? The one that's looking around and watching this shit play out in slow motion, he relaxed, cause he already know how shit about to play, like boom, boom, boom. And he already know what the move gonna be that he gonna make to keep. You see what I'm saying? Listen, learn to relax, dog. Learn to relax. You feel me? So we right here, 14 minutes, man. I just wanted to kick this shit, man. Get this off real quick about relaxation, man. Get into meditation, dog. Get into playing different music other than the music you listen to. Get into playing like frequencies and classical music when you clean up and shit. When you clean up your whip or shit, whatever. You feel me? Learn other ways to like create a habit of relaxing, because once you can relax at any given moment, you can't be provoked, and you're 98% of the time in control of everything that's going on, because you're in control of you. When you relax, you're in control of you. When you're not relaxed, Somebody else is in control of you. And ain't no telling how far they trying to pull you. You feel me? It's no telling how you're gonna react to what they do. You may go all the way to 10. You see what I'm saying? You may go all the way to 10. I know niggas who done walked in on their girl like with another dude in their crib type shit. You feel me? And he went all the way to 10. You feel me? He went and did a prison sentence behind that. Because, you know what I mean? If he would have, and I'm not saying that, you know, in that situation that, you know, some people wouldn't react that way, but what I'm saying is if you hone the skill of relaxing and learning how to tap into relaxation, dog, like even in situations like that, if you've already programmed your nervous system to calm down easily and you already programmed to go directly into relaxation when you usually would go into flight, when that nigga walked in and saw his girl with another dude, he would have went into relaxation mode. Automatic programming. He would have went into relaxation mode and he would have left. That would have been the decision that he would have made. I stand on that firmly, bro. I stand on that shit firmly, bro. You feel me? I feel like that would have been the decision that he would have made if he would have had already honed a skill of tapping into relaxation. You feel me? That's how important knowing how to relax is. You feel me? Learning how to meditate, how to understanding the body, man. Understanding that it's tensions and shit that's in your muscles that you need to stretch that shit out, man. You know what I'm saying? You need to get a walk in or something. You feel me? You need to get out in nature. You need to, my nigga, do some jumping jacks, man. You know, shake, get that shit up out you. You feel me? Pop some muscles, like, dog. Like, there's a lot of tension that be in your muscles, and that makes you tired. That causes fatigue too. You feel me? When you always tense and, you know what I'm saying, you move through life like that, and you feel me, that makes you tired. You need to be relaxed. You feel me? When you're moving through life, you need to be relaxed. That's the art of relaxing. But let me get off here, man, because I'm telling you, this topic right here, I could go on, and actually, this is going to be talked about also in the Unlimited Reset. You feel me? So, that's a program that I'm working on. It's on down the line, but it's going to be a really big program. You know what I mean? A really, really big program with a lot of information in it and a lot of value for the people. You feel me? For the people that want to get healthy and get rid of these habits, man. Because these bad habits, they'll break you, dog. They'll take everything from you. You feel me? And it's something that can be done about it. So I'm building a program around it because I've done it. You feel me? It's Sharon Pat Wardolo. Make sure you check with the Treeway Winterwear, man. The show is always brought to you by Treeway Winterwear, man. The Treeway Winterwear collection. I'm gonna drop the new link below on either this show or the next show. You can go straight to the site and get the ebook of this. The free ebooklet, man, is on the site. The Pretty Much Understanding, man. You feel me? And also on there, you can book the free consultation. Just tap in with me on the DM. The $19.99 consultation, that's for after your first free one. So you still get the first one free. You just gotta tap in through the email and hit me up and let me know that you want the consultation. You get the first one for free for an hour. You feel me? It's your Ron Pablo, and I'm checking out. Peace.